The 2022 Genesis GV70 has been revealed and will share its engine offerings with its larger SUV sibling, and that means a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder will be standard, forced induction coming courtesy of a twin-scroll turbocharger. In the GV70, the engine will produce 300 horsepower and 311 foot-pounds of torque, the same as the GV80. That also holds true for the 375 horsepower and 391 foot-pounds of torque 3.5-liter V6. Which will be one of the GV70's two optional engines. The second is a 2.2-liter turbo diesel making 207 horsepower and 325 foot-pounds of torque. Of course, the diesel isn't slated for the United States.